Just as hopes for peace in Ukraine appeared closer than ever, a dramatic new accusation has thrown the entire process into doubt. Russia now claims that Ukrainian drones targeted one of President Vladimir Putin's official residences in what Moscow describes as a major escalation. Russian officials say as many as 91 drones were launched and intercepted by air defense systems, though no independent evidence has been presented. Ukraine has flatly denied the allegations, with President Volodymyr Zelensky calling them a complete fabrication designed to sabotage peace efforts at a critical moment. The accusation has triggered a rapid political backlash. Former Russian President Dmitry Medvedev accused Ukraine of deliberately seeking to prolong the war, while Moscow announced it was reviewing its position in ongoing peace negotiations. The timing is especially sensitive. Just one day earlier, US President Donald Trump had said a peace deal was closer than ever following talks. With Zelensky, Trump later confirmed that President Putin personally informed him of the alleged attack during a phone call, describing the situation as deeply concerning and saying this was not the right moment for escalation.
Told me about it. Early in the morning, he said he was attacked. It's no good. It's no good. Don't forget, the Tomahawks. I stopped the Tomahawks. I didn't want that. Because we're talking about, it's a delicate period of time. This is not the right time. It's one thing to be offensive, because they were offensive. It's another thing to attack his house. It's not the right time to do any of that, and can't do it. And I learned about it from President Putin today. I was very angry about it. Please. What? Well, it came out. Well, we'll find out. I mean, you're saying maybe.
However, Trump also acknowledged that US intelligence agencies were still assessing whether the attack had actually taken place. The Kremlin claims Trump was shocked by the report, but insists that Russia remains committed to the peace process, even as it signals possible changes to its negotiating stance.
December 28-29, 2025, the Kiev regime carried out a terrorist attack using a 91mm long-range unmanned aerial vehicle at the presidential residence of the Russian Federation in the Novgorod region. All unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed by the Russian air defense forces. No data on the damage caused by the BPLA debris has been received. Please note that this action was carried out during intensive negotiations between Russia and the United States on the settlement of the Ukrainian conflict. Such reckless actions will not be left unanswered. Objects for retaliatory strikes and their time in the hands of the Russian armed forces are determined. At the same time, we do not intend to leave the negotiating process with the United States. At the same time, given the final rebirth of the criminal Kiev regime, which has moved to the policy of state terrorism, the negotiating position of Russia will be reconsidered.
Meanwhile, Ukraine says it has agreed to most elements of a US-backed peace framework, including post-war security guarantees. The major obstacle remains territory. Russia continues to demand full control of the Donbas region, while Ukraine rejects any concessions, warning that compromise would only invite future aggression. As accusations, denials, and diplomatic pressure collide, the fragile path toward peace once again appears uncertain. With trust eroding and tensions rising, the question now facing the world is simple but critical. Is this a genuine turning point toward peace, or another step deeper into a prolonged and dangerous conflict?